There was a time when AI was just a futuristic idea, a buzzword tossed around in tech circles with little real impact. Then ChatGPT-3 arrived and blew everyone away with its ability to understand and generate language. ChatGPT-4 took it further, impressing us with deeper knowledge and sharper conversations. But ChatGPT-5, this isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution. An AI that doesn't just respond to you, but understands you on a whole new level, remembering your style, your preferences, and even your emotions. It's personal in a way we never thought possible. This isn't about talking to a smarter machine anymore. It's about having an AI that sees the world through your eyes, listens to your voice, and anticipates your needs before you even speak. In the next 12 minutes, we'll explore how ChatGPT-5 is quietly reshaping everything from the way we work and learn to how we create and connect. This could be the moment when AI stops being just a tool and starts becoming a true partner in our lives and in history. Part 1. The jump we didn't expect. August 2025. OpenAI released ChatGPT-5 with no grand keynote, no press tours, no fireworks. It was a silent rollout, just a model update quietly pushed to users. But the shift in capability was instant. Those who used it could feel the difference before they even knew what had changed. Conversations didn't just feel smoother, they felt human. You could pause mid-sentence, and it knew where you were going. You could reference a conversation from weeks ago, and it remembered exactly what you meant. It didn't just give answers, it connected the dots. It was as if your AI had gone from being a smart assistant to a mind that could think with you. For many, that moment wasn't just a software upgrade. It was the beginning of a relationship. And without making noise, GPT-5 began integrating itself into the daily decision-making of millions, from CEOs running global teams to students doing their homework. Example story: Daniel, corporate lawyer. Daniel, a corporate lawyer in London, had built a reputation for precision, but the endless contracts, compliance reviews, and client negotiations left him working 14-hour days. Within a week of switching to GPT-5, his workload collapsed. The AI flagged risky clauses in seconds, pre-drafted negotiation points, and summarized 100-page documents into a one-page strategy brief. Daniel wasn't just faster, he was sharper, and for the first time in years, he had time for dinner with his family. GPT-5 didn't just make him efficient, it gave him back his life. Part 2. What's really new with GPT-5? So what makes GPT-5 so different? 3 breakthroughs stand out, each one redefining what AI can be. Multimodal Mastery. In the past, ChatGPT mainly understood and responded to text. GPT-4 added some ability to work with images and voice, but it was still somewhat limited. Now GPT-5 takes it much further. It can understand text, images, and audio all at the same time and combine them in a way that feels natural and intelligent. Imagine you have a broken drone. You snap a photo of the damaged propeller, upload the drone's repair manual as a PDF, and record a quick voice note describing the problem. GPT-5 processes all this information together, figures out what's wrong, and guides you step by step on how to fix it. This kind of all-around understanding isn't just useful for tech problems. Architects can give GPT-5 their blueprints, photos from the construction site, and client requests at once, and it will create updated 3D designs immediately. Doctors are also using GPT-5 to analyze patient scans, lab results, and medical histories together, making diagnoses faster and more accurate. This goes beyond a typical chatbot. It's a problem solver that works with all your senses. Adaptive personality modes. Another groundbreaking feature of GPT-5 is its ability to change the way it interacts with you based on your needs and preferences. You don't have to talk to just one type of AI anymore. Instead, you can choose how GPT-5 behaves and speaks. Maybe you want a gentle, understanding listener when you're feeling down, or a strict, no-nonsense coach to push you toward your goals. Or perhaps you need a sharp, analytical mind to help solve a complex problem. GPT-5 can switch between these personalities instantly, adjusting its tone, pace, and style to fit the moment. Some companies even use GPT-5 to run their entire customer support teams by blending different personalities, friendly and approachable for sales questions, clear and direct for troubleshooting, and persuasive for closing deals. Over time, GPT-5 learns how you like to communicate, making every conversation feel more natural and tailored just for you. Memory that matters. One of the most human-like improvements in GPT-5 is its ability to remember. But this isn't just about recalling what you said in the last chat. GPT-5 remembers your preferences, your ongoing projects, and your unique style. For example, it knows you dislike overly formal emails but prefers short bullet points in your reports. It also remembers personal details like that you're learning Italian or that your child has a science fair coming up next week. This kind of relational memory makes interactions smoother and more helpful because the AI can adapt to your needs without you repeating yourself all the time. For many users, this is a huge productivity boost. They don't have to waste time explaining their preferences repeatedly. But for some, this level of memory can feel a little unsettling, raising questions about privacy and how this information is stored. Regardless, this feature brings AI closer to feeling like a trusted assistant who truly knows you. Part 3. From tool to teammate. This is the transformation few predicted. GPT-5 is no longer something you use. It's someone you work with. A partner that learns your rhythms, your goals, your blind spots. In creative industries, it's rewriting workflows. Filmmakers feed GPT-5 rough scripts, location images, and music samples. It returns complete shot lists and mood boards. Marketing teams run campaigns with GPT-5 drafting ads, generating visuals, and monitoring live performance analytics. The AI doesn't just assist, it anticipates needs before they arise. Example story: Amira, student with dyslexia. Amira, a 16-year-old in Cairo, had always struggled in school. Dyslexia made reading painfully slow, and traditional tutors didn't help. With GPT-5, lessons became conversations tailored to her speed and phrased in ways she understood. It tracked her progress, adapted explanations, and celebrated small wins. Within months, she went from failing grades to topping her class. For Amira, GPT-5 wasn't technology, it was empowerment. In households, GPT-5 now manages schedules, meal planning, and even mediates family disagreements by suggesting fair compromises. In offices, it's running daily stand-up meetings, updating project timelines, and brainstorming product improvements mid-discussion. It's a teammate with perfect recall, instant research skills, and no ego. Part 4. What's next and what's at stake? The impact of GPT-5 is not just something that affects individuals, it's shaking the foundations of entire industries, economies, and even global politics. This technology is moving so fast and spreading so widely that governments, businesses, and educational institutions around the world are already feeling the ripple effects. In the business world, GPT-5 is a game changer for startups and small companies. What used to require large teams can now be handled by just a few people with the right AI assistant. For example, a 3-person startup using GPT-5 can manage marketing campaigns, handle customer support, do accounting tasks, and design new products. This means that smaller companies can grow and compete on a global scale more easily than ever. At the same time, educational systems are experimenting with AI-powered learning tools, customizing entire curriculums to fit the individual needs of each student. Some countries have even started requiring AI literacy as a part of their national education programs, recognizing that understanding and working with AI is becoming a vital skill for the future. However, with all these advances come serious challenges and risks. Entire job categories like copywriting, paralegal work, and technical support are being reshaped or made obsolete by GPT-5's capabilities. This can lead to large-scale changes in the workforce, with many people needing to learn new skills to stay relevant. Another major concern is the misuse of AI's multimodal powers to create deepfake videos and audio. Fabricated content that is so realistic, it's difficult for fact-checkers and the public to tell what is real and what isn't. For example, political speeches can be faked or false evidence manufactured, creating confusion and mistrust on a massive scale. Governments and regulators are working hard to catch up, trying to create rules and safeguards for this powerful technology. But AI develops faster than laws can be written. Without careful oversight and responsible use, the same tools that empower millions could easily be turned to deceive or manipulate them. Part 5. The key to using it right. Here's the reality. GPT-5's power is neither good nor bad. It's a multiplier. In the right hands, it accelerates learning, creativity, and progress. In the wrong ones, it can fuel misinformation, deepen biases, and create dangerous dependencies. Some users already report missing the warmer conversational style of GPT-4.0, finding GPT-5 too precise, too clinical. Others are concerned about how much the AI remembers and where that information is stored. These are valid questions that must be answered as AI becomes an invisible part of our infrastructure. The key is responsibility, personal responsibility in how we use it. corporate responsibility in how it's deployed, and government responsibility in ensuring regulations keep up with innovation. Because ignoring AI isn't an option. It's here, it's growing, and it's shaping the next chapter of human history. This is just the beginning. The reality is simple. Whether or not you've ever opened ChatGPT 5, it's already woven into your daily life. It influences the emails you receive, the products recommended to you online, and even the news stories that show up on your feed. This AI is quietly working behind the scenes, shaping decisions big and small, often without you even realizing it. You have a choice. You can resist this change and hope it passes you by. You can fear the unknown and retreat from technology. Or you can embrace it, learning how to work alongside it, understanding its strengths and limitations, and shaping its use to benefit you and the world around you. Because here's the truth, those who learn to master AI today won't just keep up, they will be the ones who design the future. The future is being written now, and the pen is in your hands. If you want to understand GPT-5, learn its hidden capabilities and use it to create real results. Subscribe, give this video a like, and drop a comment. How has AI changed your life so far? Your future co-pilot is waiting. Let's start.